Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Martin with Lavoro, and today we're going to be reviewing the CAMDUCK hidden camera. So, interesting in that we're going to be unboxing it anyways. I don't know if we're going to review it. It's going to depend on how easy it is to work with. But, yeah, this is a charger or it's a camera disguised as a charger. So the camera, I don't know if you can make it out. The camera's going to pick it up. When the light shines on it, you can see it right at the tip of where my finger is. The camera is right there. But it also works as a charger, so it is a little inconspicuous. So first things first, I don't advocate doing anything illegal or immoral with these. Okay, these, I mean, you can have good uses for these. You can plug it in your kitchen. If you want to keep an eye in your kitchen, like an indoor camera. This doesn't connect to Wi-Fi or anything. This is just, I don't think it is. We're going to double check, but I'm pretty sure this is just like you record on this and you plug it into a camera or a phone to pull the data off of it and see what you recorded. So, yeah, so we're going to try out. So, we got the manual here. And just scroll through real quick. You pause it on anything you want. You can also use it as a nanny cam. I might keep it in my garage just to see if anyone walks through my garage. At least there's a camera in there. Oh, does it connect to the internet? Oh, it might actually connect to the Wi-Fi. Maybe it is a Wi-Fi camera, which is even something to be even more concerned about with cameras that are on Wi-Fi, because that means if it can reach the internet, it can be exploited. For those of you that don't know, to follow my channel closely, I do IT for a living, so I'm familiar with a lot of things like this, but I still think it's a cool gadget. Let me see how... I gotta figure out how this thing works and see if I can demonstrate it for you guys, so let me check that out. Okay, so the SD card and everything, there's a cover on the back, which I believe we can pop off. There we go. And that's where you'd put your SD card in to record. I don't have an SD card to put in there, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to see if I can get it hooked up to the Wi-Fi, and like I said, I'll just keep it in my garage so I can have a garage camera. I can just plug it into an outlet to just kind of keep an eye on things. If I can get this back in here. There we go. Alright, so let's see how that works then, and see if I can get it connected up, and if I can, I will be back with you guys. If I can't, this will be the end of the review. I'll try it out. So I'm recording my phone screen. You're seeing the camera right there. I've got some stuff plugged into it. I've got a couple charging cords plugged into it. This is 4K resolution, apparently. You can see it's not high frame rate, but nice clear picture. You can change it to 1080. That'll save you a lot if you're using memory in it to save videos and things like that. So that's actually pretty cool. Back to 4K. I might get a I may actually get a SD card for this, because I've got this whole view of the garage. It looks nice. That's really, because I don't like having cameras inside of my house, but the garage it's a garage, you know. That way I can have something there. Pretty nice. You got a lot of features on here. You can see down here is album, photo. You take a photo, I think that's what that does, yep. SD file, which there's no SD card in here. You can hit max to have the screen, you know, maximized. How do I get back? What's this do? Oh, flip this. Change the view around. That's pretty cool. I have it like this, so it's mirrored, so it looks actually how it looks going out of the garage. I guess it does look more like this, though. So pretty sweet. Other features we got in here, and I downloaded the app called CAMDUCK is what I did here. So get a live stream of the video. Actually, wonder if this works off of the Wi-Fi. So if I disconnect the Wi-Fi, can I still connect to my camera, or do I have to be on the Wi-Fi network? That is the question. So right now my phone's connected on cellular. so I can still view the camera remotely, which is nice. So I've got other cameras outside of the house, but I can see if someone's inside the garage, what they're doing. Mostly I've got kids. Tell them to stay out of the garage, don't mess with stuff. Don't always listen, so easy way to catch them. So yeah, there it is right there. Boom. Just looks like a charger. Pretty cool. CAMDUCK looks like they have some cool gadgets like this. You know, all I gotta say is don't be human garbage and use this for bad stuff. And don't do, and that's illegal. You can get arrested for that. You can go to jail. You can do prison time depending on what you do. If you're just using this for monitoring, mainly because I like how you can, you know, if you have elevated plugs, you get a good view. Like a kitchen, for example, good view of the kitchen. Garages, anywhere where the plugs are up higher, or you put the plugs up higher like I did. I mean, I could even, don't mind the spider webs, but I could put it up on the ceiling right there if I wanted to and get a top-down view. So that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, check them out, guys. I'll post a link to their product in the description down below if you're interested in purchasing it. And CAMDUCK, thanks for sending this out. I think this thing's pretty cool. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in the next video.